So, hello. I'm not really sure why I'm really talking right now in the camera, but I just feel like talking. I have a lot of things in mind that I really want to talk about. It's just I don't really know how to execute it well. So recently I have been watching podcast vlogs on YouTube, podcast on Spotify, and I have this vision of me having it's funny a vision of me having a podcast, which I don't know what content will be, but I have that vision in my head that I will be doing that. And up until now, I want to do that. And since I have been watching podcasts lately, I really have the urge to make a podcast. So that's why I'm really filming right now. It's just funny actually. Like that decision is very random. I love talking in camera. I love talking to people. I love yapping with very random things. Sometimes it's even nonsense. Um Actually, right now I have a lot of things in mind. Random thoughts, useless useless thoughts actually, and not 100% nonsense, but i I want to talk about it, but I'm just not sure if I really want to talk about it on camera and share it online, because it's it's a social media footprint, internet footprint, and I don't want that. I mean, I have contents on TikTok. Basically, I have a lot of footprints. Yeah. So, I am using my tablet to record this, and I'm not really sure if this video will be clear. And oh my god, nababother ako with my camera kasi dito, it's very malinaw, 'di ba? And dito, it's very hazy. So this has like meron tong story. So I got my screen protector changed in Divisoria. And then palitan ko siya, even hindi siya basag, maayos siya, walang bubbles and everything, pero kasi ganito yung nangyari. Like half of the screen protector is nasa, 'di ba ito yung bilog ng circle, bilog ng circle, ito yung bilog ng camera. And then ito yung screen protector, like medyo nakaganon siya, nakaganon, which is ito yung result. Like, here is very clear. And then on this part is not really clear at all. Good thing I have a light on. I don't know if I can share it to you. Well, you cannot see it because it's clipped on top of my tablet. So lately, it has been, oh my god, I hindi ko alam kung I want to talk about it and I want to upload this, pero kasi yung sasabihin ko, it's so personal. It's very, like, it's too much information. Oh my god, I remember something with too much information. Like, it's too, yeah, it's too personal to share it. Like, I'll probably upload this video and put it on public. Pero kasi wala namang manonood. So, I will upload it on my YouTube account. So, yeah, I have a thought in my mind. Like, ayun nga, I have been watching podcast and hindi malakas yung loob, pero Like, I'm very urged to make one, which is like, actually, tomorrow I'm planning to make like list on how to do it. I'll watch YouTube videos on how to execute well ng podcast. I really I really want to pursue this despite of my busy schedule. Well, my work nakaplot siya. Like, the schedule is nakaplot siya. So, mama-maximize ko yung time kasi I have day offs naman, so I can do that. But I also have to think of contents, the things that I want to talk about, that I can talk about without sharing so much about my life. Like, I am not mysterious. I'm not mysterious person. Like, I am maingay. I am madaldal. I share so much information about myself, which is, it's not good kasi nga, ever since I want to be like mysterious na parang, okay, this person doesn't know me that much, na personal friends ko lang, like close friends ko lang yung kilala ako 100%. Pero kasi it's very hard to be that if my personality is not a mysterious type. 'Di ba? So, saan ako lulugar? So, I guess I just have to be myself. Kasi if I pretend, if maging try hard ako maging mysterious, it's not the authentic me. 'Di ba? Like, do you get what I mean? Kasi nga, eh, like, gusto ko talaga maging mysterious type, pero that's not me. So, I'll just deal with what I am ngayon. Na parang, I'll just be myself and yap and still makulit. Kasi I had parts in my life na, parts in my life! Like, I had times na, like, di ba nasabi ko nga, personality ko is makulit, maingay, daldal. There was a time na I stopped being that. I stopped being me. Kasi nga, it was brought up na parang na call out siya. Not totally call out. I don't really know the right term, pero parang ganon na I got conscious with how I act, with my personality, with my character. So, I stopped being makulit, na parang I tried to be tahimik. I have been in that area of my life. But yeah, I am back now na I'm not scared. No, I'm not afraid to be me na. Kasi we only live once, diba? So, might as well I'll be authentic me, diba? Tapos, ano pa ba na-vision ko sa sarili ko? Na-vision ko rin na, yes, I'm working in a corporate world. Nababother talaga ako, so dito lang ako sa side na to. So, ang na-vision ko pa sa sarili ko is working in a corporate world. Kasi ever since, bata pa lang ako, I was playing with my cousins kasi ako yung unang pamangkin sa line ng mother side ko. So, yung mga pinsan ko is younger than me, and every time na we play, ako yung boss, ako yung CEO, ako yung may-ari ng business, ako yung cashier. Yeah, I had a lot of cashier. I had McDo cashier, I had like grocery cashier, like dalawa yon. And I don't really know what happened to that. So, like I said, ako nga yung laging bida, not bida. Ako yung laging main character. Ako yung laging boss. And I boss around with my cousin, which technically I did not remember, but she just nagkwento. Nagkwento siya na, alam mo ba, ate, dati, gusto mo lagi ikaw boss. May time na like, it was like random kwentuhan, like bonding with a cousin. And I brought up siya. I was like, I really? Kasi I don't really remember it at all. I don't really remember much of my childhood, so I guess it's a trauma. And I don't really know where that came from, that trauma. Kasi I cannot really recall anything with my childhood. All I can remember is yung starting from grade school, grade 4. Yeah, grade 4. Memory from grade 4 hang pataas na. Doon ko lang, ayun lang yung mga nare-recall kong memories. 'Di ba? Ang daldal ko na, I mean, madaldal naman talaga ako, pero yung topic ko, it's very random and personal. And I don't really know. I'm just yapping. Ayun pala. Today, I got facial. Nearby dito sa amin. I stopped doing facial for a long time. Years, maybe. And then, I went to this, like, is it Robinson? I'm not really sure. Robinson or SM. And, I'm not going to disclose kung anong, beauty, is it beauty spa? Not spa. Pero, ano siya, facialan. Um, so, di ba, after years nga, naghanap ako ng new na pa-facialan. And, so, nag-iisa lang siya. I usually go to Surgilite. Let's face it. Let's face it. Let's face it. I usually go to that too. And then, at that mall, isa lang. Isa lang yung meron. So, I don't really have a choice to try it kasi baka naman maganda. Maganda yung work quality. So, yeah, I went there. I actually got a lot of compliments na basta I got a lot of compliment which is that day was good kasi it was very positive talaga throughout the day, even nung nakauwi na. So I got my lashes done. No, not lashes, pero I got my threadings for my brows and then facial. So ayun na nga. So nakahiga ako. Tapos syempre I was resting my eyes kasi nga it's a place, like I consider that place na I can relax na. I'll just forget like that. Tapos, so ayun na. They do her thing. And then, nagulat ako kasi I was, naka-close yung eyes ko. Like, nakaganyan ako. Tapos, later on, dapat, di ba, may gloves. Pero, walang gloves! That's very unhygienic. Like, I was nakaganyan, tapos like, from here, like, I don't know how to, like, iniscoop niyang pa ganon, and then she just, and then, diba? That's very unhygienic. And, throughout the session of my facial, ganon yung nakakamay lang siya. So, ako, I did not like the service, pero, I had to go with it na lang kasi ayoko rin naman na, ay, stop session, ganyan. Kasi, na-start naman na eh. Pero kasi, that day, I was really expecting na, okay, marerelax ako. Pero hindi. I got really conscious. Ayoko pa naman ng hinahawakan yung face ko ng kahit sino. Like, even you are my loved ones, like, kahit boyfriend kita, no, don't touch my face kasi I consider kasi na hand is yung pinaka-dirty. Kasi, you hold your phone, you hold somewhere, you hold tables, which is basically hinahawakan siya ng lahat, and I don't like that. I get pissed pag hinahawakan yung face ko. Especially, it usually happens nung senior high ako. Senior high, 11 and 12. Laging kinukulot yung cheeks ko. So, I have facial wash with me in my bag. I wash my face ng afternoon or like whenever I can. So, ayun nga. Let's go back. Throughout, I was quiet and then nip-break yung face ko. Of course, magkakaroon ng open pores, which is mapapasok siya ng bacteria. So, after that, my face was red, which is totally normal, di ba? Kasi nga, nip-break, ginanon, ginalaw-galaw yung face. Tapos, after the session, it didn't feel good. It didn't feel great. I was pissed kasi nga, kakakamay lang. Walang gloves. So, naa. But, it's not something na pwede kong balikan to turn back the time. So, nag-move on na lang ako with that. And the next day, I got breakouts. Bad breakouts. Which is, oh my God. It was bad. Like, hindi naman siya yung, hindi siya yung pimple na nagpas or something like that. Pero, I got like tiny bumps. Hindi super laki, pero like, parang, hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya, bootleg? Is it bootleg? Parang ganun. Basta maliit siya. Wala siyang pus or anything. Pero, ganun siya. Tapos, nagkaroon ako ng dark spots with my face. So, nag-buy ako ng skincare. I got retinol. I got vitamin C booster. I usually use Lux Organics or Bello and Oxycure. I use those products. And also, tomato glass skin. I use those. So, ano naman siya? It was okay naman. Nawala yung breakouts ko. Kasi, I know breakouts is like, dapat like, super red yung face, ganito, ganyan. Pero kasi, for me, the definition of breakouts is, meron akong bootleg, or like, basta may tiny bumps ako on my face, tapos like, madami, like, nagkakaroon ng little whiteheads na parang pag ginanon mo naman, pwede siyang mawala. Ayun, so ano sinasabi ko? Ayun nga, pwede siya mawala. Pero, still, I did not like the service. Pero, the brows ko nun, it was good naman. Yung pagkaka-thread, not too thin, not too thick. Middle lang siya. And I'm planning to go back to Laybear. Is it in Laybear? Yeah, sa Laybear ako nagpagawa ng brows, nagpa-thread. And then, ayun, hopefully, tomorrow, hindi ako magkakaroon ng breakouts with yung facial na ginawa ko, yung pa-facial na pinuntahan ko. So far naman, it was good. Like, there's not much of a redness and parang feeling ko normal lang naman yung uh reaction, no, yung after after math. I don't know. I can think of the other term, pero yung aftercare, no, not aftercare, pero basta yung after, feeling ko it's a good result naman. I'm not really tired. And ayun pala, I was pissed with something today na there are things na dapat ako yung disclose. Yeah. There are things na dapat ako yung disclose, hindi yung ibang tao, and it happened today. Na it's on me dapat if i-disclose ko ba yon or hindi. I'm not going to mention it kasi I'm not really sure. I'm not I'm not really comfortable sharing it with people kasi it's very hard to deal with that. Like really, like but it happened so many times na. Pero naiinis pa rin ako kasi bakit mo i-disclose tong bagay na to when hindi ko naman siya dinidisclose. And it's on me to disclose. It's too personal sa akin for you to disclose that. Kasi it's very hard for me nga to process that. Tapos you're gonna share it with other people, which is it's not right. But yeah, part of me, I'm not okay ngayon. Pero carry naman, carry. 'Di ba dumadagdag nga ako ngayon. And ano na, like 22 minutes na. So tomorrow, I'm planning to make outline. No, not outline, but like sequence of topics. And then on how to execute, I'll probably watch YouTube videos regarding making podcast and how to actually make a content na very maayos. Hindi yung talon-talon. Kasi like ngayon, 'di ba? Talon-talon yung topic ko na I'm not done yet with this. Nagja-jump na ako sa other topic tapos babalik ako. Magulo siya. Though basta yan. I guess I'm going to end this with eto. I'm going to end this with the topic. Hindi ko nga siya ma-disclose, diba? So, yes, this one na lang. I'm not really sure if I'll upload this, pero siguro, maybe, how many percent? 60%, part of me, the 60% wants me to post this, and then the 40, I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure if I will post this kasi I have mentioned things here. Pero as much as possible, I really want to start doing this. Actually, madami na akong recording here on my tablet. I use my tablet kasi pangit yung phone ko. I record on my tablet. Tapos, wala lang. Nagdadagdag lang ako with lots of things na as if I'm talking to a friend, which is gusto ko maging ganon yung content or type of podcast that I really want to do, na parang ay tropa-tropa lang tayo, hindi siya very formal kasi being formal is not my thing. But in my line of work, I really have to be formal. Nagagawa ko naman siya. It was good naman. My work is good. I'm doing well. I show up even in the hardest time. Like, I don't really have an energy to get up and do work. But, I go. Kaso, ang gagawin ko nga lang, I'll say na, I can't go to, like, kasi minsan, yung call time is 8. And it's nearby lang yung office. So, ang gagawin ko, papasok ako ng before 12. So, mga 12, nandun na ako. And then, I just threw out na from 6 a.m. Tulog lang ako. Kasi my body needs that. My mind needs that. And, I listen to my body. I know what I can do and what I can't do at this specific times, which is very good. I developed that years. No, not years, pero lately I developed that na I don't really have to force myself to attend or like be present for the sake of other people. But I have to show up for myself na dapat ako instead of ibang tao. So, yeah, ayun, I'll end the video here. And yeah, I'll probably upload this one. So yeah, I'm going to go. Bye!